Okay, so let's take a tour of our room on board the Brilliant Lady. So the first thing that you're going to notice is that you use your bracelet to unlock the door. As soon as it turns green, it is good to go and you can get in. The second that the door opens, the blinds and the curtains also open so that you have a full view of the ocean. There is a chair on the side with a fuzzy blanket because it was Alaska, so it was chilly. And then there's another compartment that you can have some more storage. It also doubles as a redirection for the room if you're going to split up the beds. You have your TV up on the wall and you have a lot of movies to choose from. Over on the side where the counter space is, you're going to notice that there's also a couple areas for storage, and then your refrigerator is located there, which is completely empty, and you have still water, which is replaced every day, next to the recycle and the trash bin. When you open up the cabinet here, this is going to be where your life vests are stored, and it's also where your safe is. And then there are approximately 5 sliding drawers that you can use for storage as well, and a couple open spaces as well. Inside the closet, you have plenty of hangers, and you have this little stool area that also has a couple more bins for storage. Now, this is the only part that was a little disappointing, is the bathroom is extremely tight. So the bathroom is small, but it's really well appointed, obviously having your toilet and all of your toilet paper, and then your shower, which had shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. This area is really nicely laid out, but it is really small. So let's go to everybody's favorite, which is the balcony. You have 2 chairs and a table, which has plenty of room, and the best part, which is the hammock. We absolutely love this room and highly recommend the Sea Terrace.